Attention 4x4 fans and enthusiasts! We got an exciting news for all of you! The long wait is over dahil available na sa local market ang mas pinaastig na 4-door 2024 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Ginawa ang unveiling ceremony ng bagong kahuhumalingan ng mga outdoor lovers at adventure seekers sa jeep dealership ng Laos Group of Companies sa Clark Freeport Zone nitong Sabado, May 4. Gaya ng ibang Wrangler series, meron itong iconic body silhouette na talaga namang machong tignan. But wait, there's more to love about the 2024 Wrangler Unlimited Sport.
Our 2024 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport is now here in Pampanga. From its iconic design to its cutting-edge features. It has the iconic grille and then the bolder fenders, black roof, 17-inch gray aluminum wheels, and also its infotainment of a 12.3 Uconnect 5 system.
Added safety at angas looks din ang bagong data running LED lights ito at ang tougher Gorilla Glass windshield. Hindi rin syempre mawawala ang trademark ng Wrangler Jeep na signature detachable roof o yung 3-piece hardtop na nagpapatotoo sa slogan itong Famous for Freedom. Aside from the looks and aesthetics, top-notch din ang riding comfort and safety features ng 2024 Wrangler Unlimited Sport.
For its safety features po, it is equipped with adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning. Plus, from its dual airbags, there's an additional 4 of it, curtains and the side passenger and the driver.
At kung performance lang din ang pag-uusapan, hindi pwedeng mawala sa listahan ng reliable off-road body na 2024 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. Meron itong 2.0 inline 4 engine na kaya mag-deliver ng 268 horsepower at 400 Newton meters of torque. 8-speed automatic transmission at full-time 4-wheel drive system na rin ito. And you know what's the better news? Mabibili ang 2024 Wrangler Unlimited Sport sa halagang 4,790,000 pesos at available ito sa Firecracker Red, Granite Crystal at Hydro Blue colors. May option din na kumuha ng off-road friendly na iconic Wrangler half doors ang first 50 buyers ng sasakyan.
And then I'm inviting you all to visit our showroom here in Jeep Clark and Jeep San Fernando. We are open 8:30 to 5:30 p.m. and try our test drive units and witness the freedom and adventure.
Kasama si Paulo G. Santos, ako si JM De Jesus, CLTV 36 News.